The Statistical Institute of Belize held a quarterly press brief this morning to discuss Belize's economic performance, beginning with its gross domestic product. In May, imports went up by 1.9%, while domestic exports were down by 35.6%. For the first 3 months of 2019, the level of economic activity increased by 5.2% when compared to the same period last year. Angelita Campbell is a statistician at SIB.
For the first quarter of 2017, Belize produced goods and services totaling $782 million. This is an increase of $38.6 million or 5.2% when compared to the same period of 2018. Now we're looking at the first quarter GDP at constant prices and growth rate over the last 6 years. GDP by constant prices means the prices are adjusted for inflation. The largest first quarter growth rate recorded over the last 6 years was during the year 2015, which recorded an increase of 8.2%.
The most recent Consumer Price Index shows that in May, the cost of goods and services were virtually unchanged when compared to the same period last year.
The inflation rate for the month of May 2019 stood at negative 0.01%. This means that the cost of regularly purchased goods and services, which Belizean households purchase, remained relatively unchanged in comparison to 2018, decreasing by an almost imperceptible 0.01%. The cumulative inflation rate for the first 5 months of 2019, from January to May, stood at 0.1%. As we look at the all items CPI, with our focus being the month of May, we notice that both May 2018 and May 2019 recorded a consumer price index of 104.7, which is why the decrease for the period was so small, at a marginal 0.01%.
The labor force survey for April 2019 shows that the number of persons employed stood at 164,428 persons, which represents an increase of roughly 8,500 persons from last year. Likewise, persons aged 25 to 34 accounted for the largest group of employed persons, 28.8% of all persons with jobs. Reporting for News 5, I am Isani Cayetano.